Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Glamour Ellen. In today's video, I'm giving you 3 ideas or budget-friendly tablescape that mostly items I featured here are my thrifted items. Alright everyone, let's get started. In table number 1, I thrifted this butterfly teacup last year, but I'm not using this as a teacup in this tablescape. And this is the first time that I featured this in table setting. And the styling ideas, it is whimsical summer tablescape. And here it is. I used the teacup as a votive candle holder. Isn't it very lovely? Welcome to my table number 1 in whimsical summer tablescape, featuring yellow, green, and white.
Let's go. She didn't love you back, love you back. All she did was leave a hole in your chest. You didn't get that job, even though you really gave it your best. And now you're wondering what's the point of anything at all. But let me tell you what, that's just life putting you through the test. Before the dawn, it's always dark. Before the light, there is a tunnel. Before you run, you gotta stumble. When you fall in love, but it don't work out. When you've cried at least 100 times. When you feel so stuck, but you can't get out. Just remember, there will come a day when it all works out.
Alright everyone, so let's talk about this table. Remember this napkin ring right here that I featured on my thrift haul video? My napkin ring came from Pier 1. I also thrifted this dinnerware right here, and this is like 3 years ago. And that's the brand right there. So I hardly use this. Actually, I used this one like 3 years ago in one of my tablescape. I believe it is B tablescape. And I put this white plate. I believe this is Mikasa. And the greenery right here from Hobby Lobby. I use $3 goblets. And this gold and white silverware right here. And this little guy right here. You see earlier, this one came from Goodwill. It was very cheap, 50% off. So I have 6 of them, but you will going to see this again in another butterfly tablescape if I can able to do it before the summer ends. And I really love it because this other one right here, it's blue and yellow. And there's orange there. This one came from, I believe, Home Goods a while back. And all my flowers over here, you've seen this before. I reuse all my summer flowers. And I put this butterfly right here. My vase came from at home 3 years ago. Alright guys, so let's go to our table number 2. In table number 2, this one is a budget friendly. So I am using the items that I featured in my thrift haul video. And I hope you get some ideas. Hey guys, so Steve and I, we do our neighborhood walk. So I found this flowers in the bushes, and this is Queen's Anne's lace. And I don't know what it's called, but I do love it. So I'm going to make an arrangement with the space right here that I thrifted. In our small garden, I'm going to cut some of this greenery right here as a fillers. And here it is. Isn't it beautiful? And the rest of you comments that this is a cypress parts. And I believe this one is a medicinal, especially if you have a hard time breathing. Which actually it's me because I have a hard time breathing all the time. Dinnerware from Dollar Tree, and here's the thrifted bowl that I featured in my thrifted hauls. Napkin is thrifted, and the bow napkin ring, shout out to my friend Laura of States 2. All the goblets that I'm using here is also thrifted. This crystal glass right here, it was made from France. It's so dainty, but it looks elegant. And here guys, welcome to my table number 2. This is a budget-friendly tablescape ideas. So if you have flowers in the backyard, or probably when you go walking just like what I did, maybe you can get some of it and style in your table setting.
To feel you, is it too late to tell you about how much I'm sorry for the things I have done, for the things I never did? But I promise, dear, I'll never let you go. So don't let go, get close to me. Oh, don't let go. So much better whenever you're around. I wanna say something clever to get in your mind. 'Cause right now we're not together, and I lose my way then. Oh, I feel so much better whenever you're around. Whenever
And here's my nighttime view.
Yeah. Whenever you're around. Never thought it would be so hard. I grew up without a scar, just living my life with no big worries. And I've always known what I want, just didn't know what came along. Finding myself a much less happy. Back in the days I used to dream about one day a life so amazing, not everyone judging me. Don't wanna care about them, though it hurts so bad. I wanna stay wide open, 'cause if I shut down, it just gives them right. I wanna stay wide open. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. I wanna stay wide open. Can't stand to hear more today. I'm gonna lock my door and stay inside away until
You send the vase on my thrifted videos, and also the riser is thrifted.
I'm defeated and withdrawn, just trying to understand.
In our table number 3, I'm still using the same placemat and runner, and the color will be black, white, and pink or mauve, and also burgundy. You sent this plate before in my past tablescape, so I decided to use this one. And also, I believe this came from TG Maxx in the clearance section 3 years ago. And also, I'm gonna use this salad plate right here, which is the same pattern of the dinnerware, but it was black, so it is a perfect combination. My napkin ring from Michael's 3 years ago, and napkin from Hobby Lobby. This style, it is perfect for fall because of the color combination I am using today. Welcome to my table number 3, and I hope you like it.
I wanna be where I'm safe and sound. Don't wanna care about them, though it hurts so bad. I wanna stay wide open. Don't wanna care about them, though it hurts so bad. I wanna stay wide open, 'cause if I shut down, it just gives them right. I wanna stay wide open. Oh, oh, oh. I wanna stay wide open. If you need a hand, I am here for you. If you get lost, I'll lead you back in. Walk that extra mile, I would do that too. Just so I could be beside you. If the end is near, just know that I got you. I'm your armor when things get tough. Know I got your back, your battles are mine too. I'll fight for you when things get hard. Lay it all on me when you're not strong enough to carry on. Baby, you should know I got you.
To all of you guys who are watching my videos and subscribe to my channel, wherever you are, thank you so much for the love and support all the time. I finally made it to 11K. It was a quiet journey, but I'm really glad that I made it this far. Everyone, please let me know what you think about my 3 styling ideas of budget-friendly tablescape. Summer that can be transitioned to fall. To all my new subscribers, thank you guys so much for connecting with me through my video of thrifting hauls. I really appreciate each and every one of you guys. And if you like this video, I hope you consider subscribing to my channel. Hit the bell twice so every time I upload videos, you will be notified. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye everyone. Be safe.